Today, I'll show you how to make your Windows 11 desktop look cool and interesting. Before we get started, you can help me continue creating useful content by supporting me through the Buy Me a Coffee service. The link to my Buy Me a Coffee profile is in the description below this video. You can also visit the site by scanning the QR code displayed on the screen with your smartphone. Any amount you choose to donate will be incredibly valuable to me. Thank you for your support and attention. Let's get started. Step 1. Right-click on your desktop and go to View. Uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Step 2. Now let's switch to a dark theme. Right-click on your desktop and go to Personalize. Select Colors. And in the Choose Your Mode section, switch to Dark. In the Accent Color section, choose something dark as well. Then scroll down and turn on the switches for Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar and Show Accent Color on title bars and window borders. Step 3. Next, let's edit and hide your taskbar. Right-click on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Scroll down to the Taskbar Behavior section and click on it. Change the taskbar alignment from left to center. Then check Automatically Hide the taskbar. Step 4. Next, open your browser and search for Rainmeter. Go to the website and click the Download button. Install the file by following the on-screen steps. Step 5. Now go to your browser again and search for Rainmeter skins. Choose the theme you want to download, for example, Mund. Scroll down and click the Download button. Step 6. Let's change the desktop background to something more suitable. That's better. I'll leave a link to the website where you can download similar wallpapers to your liking. Step 7. Now, open the theme for your new desktop. In your downloads, double-click the downloaded file and click Install. Step 8. In the settings window that appears, you can change the clock format and add or remove individual elements. You can also change the color or player widget. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.